Hello, my good fans out there. Once again, welcome to my lectures. I still remain Dr. D.I. June, your chemistry lecturer on social media. Our previous lecture was on type of combination and precisely on electrovalent combination. And we said that that is the type of combination where metallic atoms transfer electrons to non-metallic atoms, and that constitutes ionic bonding. We give an example of sodium chloride. Sodium being a metallic atom donates the last electron of the atmospheric cell to chlorine, and chlorine accepting it becomes negatively charged, and the two constitute a position which they are always scrambling to or determining to be, that is the octet. Now, when such combination takes place, the products or the chemical compounds have certain characteristics or properties. So we'll discuss properties of electrovalent compounds or ionic compounds. So listen as I list them one by one. Number one, they do not contain molecules. Instead, they consist of what? Aggregates of oppositely charged ions, which are arranged in an orderly pattern of three-dimensional crystal lattice. Number two, they are solids at room temperature and therefore do not vaporize easily. At room temperature, they are solids, not liquid, not gases. And for that reason, they cannot easily be vaporized. Number three, they have high melting point and also high boiling point because of the strong electrovalent bond between the ions. It is having high melting point, also high boiling points. Why? Because the bond between the elements that are combining is very, very strong. Number four, they readily dissolve in water and other polar solvent. Such compounds can easily dissolve in water. Water is a universal solvent, and also other polar solvents. Now, number five, they are very good conductors of electricity and heat, especially when in molten state or in solution. That is, they are electrolytes. This is because the ions are free to move about when the compound is in a liquid state. Of course, the mobility of electron gives light. So when electrons are not free to move about, then light cannot be given, there's no electricity. So when they are in a molten state, the ions are free to move about, and that generates electricity. So that's why they become good conductors of heat and electricity. Number six, they do not dissolve in non-polar solvents. Some of these organic solvents that cannot be broken down, cannot be deionized, these substances cannot dissolve in them. For example, toluene, benzene, trichloromethane, ether. These are some organic solvents. These are non-polar, and the electrovalent combination compounds do not dissolve in such solvents. So these are some properties of electrovalent compounds, which are also called the ionic compounds. So please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please also report this video to your friends. Thank you.